Welcome to the updated WCB online sign-in page. Before you start, you will need a one-time password reset. Enter your email address and click Next. Click Forgot Password even if you remember your old password. This step is needed to set up your new login process. To verify your identity, click your email address. A code will be sent to your inbox. Enter the code from your email and click Verify. Enter new password in both fields and click Reset Password. One more step. Verify your email one more time to finish setting up multi-factor authentication. Click your email address, enter the code, and click Verify. If you are on a private device, you can choose to stay signed in. On a shared computer, click No to keep your account secure, and you are in. Need help? Click the link below.